Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is Matthew Saji, and guys, firstly, I just want to say thank you for deciding to trust me with all of this. Alright, so let's get started with the fourth video. So, in this video, you will be learning the fourth thing or the last thing that you need to do to get started with paid surveys. Alright, so here is the fourth thing. So, the first thing was I gave you some strategies, or you learned some strategies which are free or which is $5 up to you. Like to find and build a list of at least 30 paid survey companies or 127 paid survey companies. Then the second step was to sign up with the paid survey companies, right? So you learned a free strategy using RoboForm or a $49 course which will teach you, like how to become a member in over 127 plus paid survey companies instantly overnight. All right, and the third video was like why profile information is important and how to either use the RoboForm and increase the time or reduce the time to sign up, or again enroll in the $49 course, and like for no additional cost, learn how to automate signing up and completing your profile instantly. Right. Also, I gave you two tips to to multiply your income by at least 7 times, right? And like you can see, or if you want to learn how to multiply your income without doing anything more, you just need to do these things like one time, and you can like multiply your income 7 times for the rest of your life. All right, so if you want to learn those two strategies, then you can just click on the first link below and watch the previous video, that is the third video. Or you can go to your email account and see my previous email where I talked about the third video. All right, so in this video you will be learning like how to avoid the final trap and how to use that trap to to become an elite survey taker, or how to use that trap to get into this elite group of trusted survey taker. All right, so firstly, what is elite group of trusted survey takers? Guys, like the 2% of the worldly income or the wealth of this world, 2% of the people control 98% of the world wealth, right? You know that, right? And likewise in the paid survey universe, like 98% of the major surveys, like these 2% of the people receive them, and these 2% of the people are known as like people of elite group of trusted survey taker. And like if you can get into that elite group of trusted survey taker, then like you will be able to, like, how can I say, like, make you can like make 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, even $50,000 a month. You can make that kind of income because like you will be invited to a lot of surveys. You will be invited to a lot of high paying surveys, high paying focus groups. Like focus groups will pay you $300 1 hour work. So like if you take like 5 focus groups a day, assuming you're willing to work hard, then like instantly you're making $1,500 a day, not a month, not a week, but a day. And in 30 days you are like making $45,000. Like, do you want that kind of income? Do you want that kind of freedom? Then like you need to get into the elite group of trusted survey takers. So the fourth thing that you need to do is right now you have a list of 30 survey companies. You have signed up with the 30 survey companies. You have completed your profile. And the fourth thing is like now these survey companies will slowly start sending you these surveys. Like they will start to send you these surveys, and you just need to take them. But here is a tip. Like 98% of the people, like they just want to make money quickly, right? So when they get a survey, they are thinking like, okay, when if I complete this survey right now or as fast as possible, then I will make that $10 right now or as fast as possible. So like when they get the surveys, they will just like quickly tick 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 tick, and like quickly complete those surveys, so that they will get paid. But like one thing we need to remember is this, like these paid survey companies are actually watching their new members and all the members actually. So they're just checking like how much how like can these companies trust you, trust me, trust us, like with their $100, $300, $500 surveys. So like 98% of the people, unfortunately, they don't know. So like they will just when they get a survey, they will like like quickly tick 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 and complete it. They just want to, they're like thinking like, okay, if I complete this survey, I will get paid right now. So like they were trying to just complete it quickly. Like, come on guys, like like me and you and all of us will do the same thing, right? If you don't know this single thing. But this is how the paid survey companies make sure that like they are only providing those $100 $300 surveys to trusted people. And if you can just like make sure you take a survey before like 16 hours it reaches your email, at least 16 hours. And like if you can just take like 5 to 10 seconds per tick, like like pretend like you're reading, or if, or even better, you can read the questions. All right, so you can just like, how can I say, you can just okay, read the first question in a natural speed, then there'll be like 5 to 10 seconds, then tick the first one, then read the second question, tick, read the third question, tick, and complete the survey this way. So this way the survey companies will start to see like like 98% your competition is doing it the wrong way and you are doing it the right way. And like that scarcity element, and like you will soon like the survey companies will soon start to trust you with their $100 and $200 surveys. And like that is like the, how can I say, like the fourth thing that you can do to like kill it with paid surveys. All right, so guys, I really hope this video was helpful. I really hope this 4-part video series was helpful, and tomorrow actually I will be emailing you one last video, a special video. And like in that video, first itself I'll be telling you why that video is important and what that video is will be, and all the good stuffs. All right, so make sure you watch that video because it is important. All right, and guys, like like I said, I have 97 like if you like the tips and strategies you learned so far, then like you can enroll in my course. Like the course's name is 97 red hot secrets to make 97 times more money with paid service. And in this strategy, like firstly you'll be getting access to 250 plus paid survey companies, and secondly like you'll be learning 97 ways to make 97 times more money. So like what I'm trying to say is like you will be able to make 97 times more money in 250 plus paid survey companies. Yeah, so guys, like if you are interested, then you can click on the big button below. All right, so guys, it was really a pleasure making this video for me. And guys, like like I know I'm not that much good of a presenter, and like I know like like I'm not that much clear and all, but I really hope you will appreciate my effort like to make these videos for you. All right, so see you tomorrow in the final video, and all the best. Thanks.